In this video, we'll learn how to use a location connection feature in MAPOG. First, open your map and go to the Location section. Now select the second location you want to connect and click on Edit. Under Business Location Customization, select Location Connection. Here you'll find 3 connection options. The first option is Straight Line, which connects 2 locations using a direct line. The second option is Road Line, which follows the actual road network between locations. The third option is None, which removes any connection between the locations. Choose a connection type that best fits your route. Next, select an icon that will represent connection. This can be used to show the mode of travel, such as a car, bike, bus, or any other available icon. Once everything is configured, click Submit. The selected route will now appear on the map along with the chosen vehicle icon. You can repeat this process to connect multiple locations and build complete travel routes, delivery paths, tour plans, or itineraries. In the next video, we'll learn how to reorder business locations for better route organization.